If you want to get rich, you need to learn how to unlock the hidden value of real estate. Now this, my friends, is a big, massive pile of debris that my crew ripped out from the 6-unit apartment complex standing behind me. Now, when we purchased this old rubble, it was literally in shambles. Backside of the house was caving in, structural members were compromised, and it was a major overhaul. So what we did was took this back 20 feet while stabilizing the roof, and the crew came in, poured out all the old members, and you can see behind me, we have brand new framing on this 6-unit that in turn, once I stabilize and get 6 new tenants living inside of this place, it becomes a cash cow. Now, if you can rinse and repeat this process a couple of times, guess what? You're right, you're a millionaire.